n8n is a super powerful workflow automation tool that allows you to automate daily tasks with AI, similar to Zapier and a lot easier to use. As you see here, it's $20 a month, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it for free. Even the $20 a month one only gives you 2,500 workflow executions per month. So with the method I'm showing you, you can run n8n for free on your local computer with unlimited executions and a lot more control. n8n has some documentation about how to get started with Docker. I find it pretty complicated, so I'm going to just show you. I wrote a file that you can just run, and you don't even need to know how this works. You just need to run this file and you'll have n8n going for free. So the first thing you need to do is you need to search for Docker Desktop and install this. After you download Docker Desktop, you need to go to a terminal. I use Warp. Warp is an AI-first terminal that helps you debug with AI without having to know a lot about what's going on behind the scenes, which is really nice. So once it's working, you want to run Docker version, and this needs to be working. To run n8n locally, this has to be working. It has to say Docker version something. And then you need to create a folder. So if you put mkdir, that's make a directory, and then call it whatever you want. And then you want to change into your directory. So cd n8n local. If you look in here, all you need is just this, ignore the second file, but all you need is this one Docker compose file, and then you're good. So the next thing we need to do is just run Docker compose up. And the first time you run this, it's going to take about a minute or something because it has to download a bunch of stuff. But each time after that, it should start within about 5 seconds. And it's going to run n8n locally on your computer at this port, 5678. So here we are. You can go start from scratch. And it's going to be empty, but what's cool is if you have another workflow, you can just hit Command A, Command C to copy, and then you can paste it in. And there's some low warnings here because I haven't set credentials. It doesn't copy over your credentials from n8n Cloud, but it's cool because you can just copy over existing n8n projects from your free trial if you try it out and you like it before it charges your credit card. Start running n8n local and build for free.